Hey guys, it's your girl Shelby from Shelby Fun Cuisine. Today I'm going to show you guys how I make my stew goat with cashews, okay? Let me show you guys what I have for you. It's going to be so crazy, guys, okay? I have my goat meat already cleaned up, well marinated. Okay, what I did, guys, I have my marinade, all my seasoning. Well, I made some marinades with green bell peppers and then red bell peppers, green onions, 4 garlics, and 2 Maggi cubes, and some salt and some parsley, and I had some hot pepper also. Okay, so and here you can, as you can see, I have a little bit of tomatoes and then hot pepper and parsley. And you see, guys, whenever you go buy your goat, you have to have them cut them little pieces like that. Okay, so what skin, I love skin. Okay, so that's why I have mostly like skin. Okay, so and before I do that, guys, I soaked my meat. I cleaned it up with limes and sour oranges, okay, and then soaked it in hot water with salt. Okay, over here I have my cashews. Okay, so what I did, I boiled it first, and then I add some tomato paste and a little bit of olive oil, okay, ahead. Okay, so I don't have to do much. And I have my white rice already cooked. Okay, I have some tomato paste, okay, and 1 hot pepper, and I have some red onions, okay, fresh Italian parsley, and a little bit of salt. Okay, so now let's start cooking, guys. What I'm going to do, I'm going to start cooking my goat. Okay, my oil, my pot already warm up. Okay, I have vegetable oil in it. Okay, okay. At the end, guys, all the way at the end, that's when I'm going to use my my cashews. Okay, so it's already cooked. Now I'm adding everything at once, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to let the goat cook with that little bit of water. Okay, okay, now I'm going to add some bouillon. Okay, okay, and black pepper. Okay, even though I already added everything, guys, you need to, especially when you're cooking goat, you have to put some extra. Okay, now I'm adding some parsley. Okay, a little bit of salt. Okay, now I'm adding some onion powder. This is going to be so delicious, guys. Okay, garlic powder. So how's your Sunday going so far, guys? I hope you guys are having fun with your family. Okay, so now what I'm going to do now, guys, I'm going to add a little bit of tomato paste, and then I'm gonna save some for later. Okay, and then I'm going to just put the lid on, let it cook. Okay, and then when we come back, we'll check on everything. Okay, come back. Okay, guys, now everything's ready, almost ready. Let me show you guys what I'm my goat. Okay, one more thing, guys. Whenever you're making your goat, you have to like when you're cooking it, you have to, the first water, you have to let it cook all the way down, and then let the water simmer down, and then after that, that's when you're going to that's when you're going to add your tomato paste, and then do your sauce, whatever you want to add. That's all the way at the end. You're gonna do that. Okay, so let me show you guys what I'm talking about. Okay, let's You see that? Okay. Oops. All right, you see that, guys? Now I'm stirring it up. Okay. Okay. So now what I'm going to do next, I'm going to add my tomato paste, the one that I saved. Okay. Because goat meat, guys, it's very hard to cook. That's why you have to go all the way, through that process. Because if you don't do that, it's gonna take you a long hours, okay, to finish up your food. So you have to do that, let it cook, and then with the first marinade you prepare, and then after that you add your tomato paste and then some more water for your sauce. Okay, now this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to add some more warm water. Okay, and then this is for my sauce. Okay, I'm going to let it boil a second time. Okay, that's for my sauce. I'm not going to add any water, any more water or oil. Okay, and for my cashews, I'm going to save it all the way at the end. Okay, because it's already cooked. Okay, so I'm going to let that boil and then cook, and then when we come back, we'll finish up. Okay, come back. Okay, guys, now everything is ready. Let me show you my goat. Okay, here. There it is. Okay, as you can see, I already add my onions and my cashews. Okay, you see that? Okay, so what I'm going to do next, I'm going to give it like 5 more minutes. And one more thing, guys, let me tell you something. Okay, when you're making your white rice, okay, you have to add a little bit of Maggi, okay, and salt, whatever you want to do. And then this, you make sure you have some green onion or red onions for your rice. Okay, you're gonna love it. Okay, so try it. All right, so I'm going to give that like 2 more minutes, and then when we come back, everything should be ready. I'll show you guys my plate. Okay, come back. Okay, guys, now everything is ready. Let me show you my plate. Okay. Okay, here. Okay, so there it is. What I'm going to do, I'm going to garnish it with some parsley, fresh parsley. Okay, and the rice also. Okay, that's it. That's it, guys. Now it's time for me to eat. Okay, guys, that's it. My stew goat with cashews and white rice. Okay, so now that's it. Now it's time for me to taste. Okay, this is for me. I'm going to, oh, I can't wait. I have to blow. Guys, this is so good. I'm not lying. It tastes so good, guys. Delicious. Okay, that's it for me, guys. If you guys like what you see in this video, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up and share with your family and friends. If you have any comments, please do let me know what you think, and any questions, let me know. Okay, have a wonderful day. Thank you for being with me. Have a wonderful Sunday afternoon. Okay, bye.